How to turn on or turn off simulate secondary displays on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Edge or the Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. From here, scroll down, then tap on simulate secondary displays. From the list here, you can select a resolution size. And that's it. It is now turned on. So this is 4K upscale. And we can select dual screen. So dual screen right here. Or we can simply switch it off by selecting none. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.